Okay, a little bit about set theorem. So let's look at set theory. You know, sets are very important. Let me start by making mention of that. The sets are very important. You meet the sets. Actually, you've been meeting sets, I think, from primary school. I should be quick to indicate to you that even when you come to the university, the first thing that you do, the first topic are the sets. So sets are there everywhere. You can always find what? Sets. So I'm trying to show you that sets are very important. So looking at this same question that we have, question paper 2022, paper 2, math, November, I asked Faith to read question number 2B.
Okay. The Venn diagram shows the number of learners who took at least one of the three subjects: biology, chemistry, and physics.
All right, thank you. Continue.
Given that the total number of learners was 170, calculate the value of X.
Very good. Thank you for the powerful reading. So this is the set that we have. I want us to extract it and put it to the whiteboard. You know, it's easier that way so that you can easily understand. Here is the set that we have. We have 3 sets. Okay. And what do we have with these sets? This is what we are given in terms of the number. Let's copy it. X510, X510, 70. So it is X 5, 10, 70. And I'm just copying the question a bit, and we have 15x, x minus 5. 15x, x minus 5. 15x, then x minus 5. That is how the question is. I'm hoping that people are copying the question. Then we have biology, chemistry, and physics. Biology, chemistry, and physics. Let me just make sure that we have copied the correct question. It's very important. Okay, yeah. Biology, physics, chemistry. So I will label these for biology for B, a P for physics, and C for chemistry. Okay, P for chemistry. Right. Oh, chemistry up and physics down. All right, sorry. So chemistry is up. Let me copy the question for you. Chemistry is up and physics is down, like this. And this is the E. Now this E, the symbol E, is representing that this is a universal set, right? Sometimes if you don't find the C, they can put U, okay? It's the same thing. If you find U or you find E, it is representing a universal set, okay? So now let's answer the question. The question is saying, we are given that the total number of the learners was 170. So when you add all, okay, when you add all these members in here, the total answer you should find is what? Is 170. So the total number is supposed to be 170. What do you think we can do from here, Faith? Okay, before you come in, let me get it from, who is this one? Precious, what do you think we can do? How do you find the value of X?
We are going to calculate the numbers which are in the Venn diagram.
Okay. How are we calculating?
It's to say x plus 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 70.
Are you still there?
Plus x minus.
All right. So it is x.
Yes.
Plus another x. Okay. Plus x minus 5. Plus 5.
Yes.
plus the 15 plus the what? Plus 10 plus the 70, right? Equals to 170.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Faith, are you agreeing with all of us?
Yes.
Okay, great. So let's move on. What is x plus x?
X squared.
Sorry, x plus x.
X squared.
All right. Okay, I get the point. What is x times x? Is x plus x, x times x. What is x times x? Okay, now listen carefully. When you were introduced to the basic process of algebra, you learned that there is an invisible one here, isn't it? There is one here, even here, the coefficient is one, right? Like before you any additional sign of any variable, there is a coefficient which is actually a number. So in this case, there is one. You can't say 1x. Do you remember something like that? But you can't say 1x.
Yes.
Yes, so you can simply just add the numbers. So it will be 1 plus 1, that will give you what? 2x. Is that clear? Then about multiplication. You learned that when you're multiplying same bases, these are same bases, they're x, we are multiplying same bases. You can just add the powers, right? These x's are raised to the power 1, okay? Power 1. So you can just pick one of the variables, x, then add these powers, these two powers. 1 plus 1. That will give you x squared. So in short, x times x is x squared. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah, so x times x is x squared. As simple as that. If I say x squared times x, what will that give us?
X to the power 3.
Yeah, so it will be x cubed. So x, then 2 plus 1, again, x to the third. So basically that's what is there. So now here we are not multiplying, no, we are adding. So since we are adding, we just add 1 plus this one plus that one, that will be 3 what? How many x's are here? There are 3. So we have 3x, okay? Let's have negative 5 plus 5 plus 15 plus 10 plus 7 plus 70. What does that give us? This will be 80, this will be 20, that will be 100 minus 5. What does it give us on the left side of the equation? Hey guys, we need to do this fast. What does that give us? Precious, what do you think? Hello, what do you get? Add negative 5 plus 5 plus 15 plus 10 plus 70. It should give you 95, right? You can prove that. Okay. So 3x plus 95 is equal to 170. You guys are able to follow? Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So from here, what do you think we can do?
We make 3x the subject of formula, so we'll take 95 to where 70 is, and since it will cross the equal sign, it will become negative 75.
All right, great. It will become negative 95. This is 9. Okay.
Oh, yes.
So what is 170 minus 95? Precious. What do you get? 170 minus 95? Hello? 170 minus 95?
It is 75.
It is 75?
Yes.
Okay. You have commanded your calculator is proving that it's 75.
You said what?
Yes.
Then we divide
Mm.
through by 3. That gives us x equal to Faith. What do you get? 75 divided by 3.
25.
25. Thank you. So the value of x is what? Is 25. Do I have any question? Anyone can ask. I'm sure you're able to see the screen, right? You're seeing what I'm writing. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Is there any question? Hey, colleagues, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. So we have found the value of x, which is part 1 of the question. And now we move on and we have the other part of the question read by Precious. Read question number 1B2A.
It says how many learners took biology, physics, but not chemistry.
Okay. So we want biology and physics, but not chemistry. Okay. So first of all, where there is x, we need to replace by putting the value of x, okay? Let's replace x is what? 25. Everywhere there is x, we put the value of x, which is 25. And here we have 25 minus 5, that gives us 20 here. Okay. So the question is saying, how many learners took biology and physics, but not chemistry? Biology and physics, but not chemistry. How many learners are those? How many learners are those? Biology and physics. Faith, what do you think?
Sorry?
What do you think we can do? How many learners took biology and physics, but not chemistry? Here.
I think we'll add those in the biology and physics sets and subtract from the chemistry one.
Okay. So what's the answer? Now you should pay attention here. This is where I have to pay attention. Go ahead. What do you find? So in short, are you saying we are adding these ones, 25, 15, and 20? Is it what you said? Hi, Faith. Is it what you said? Okay. Oh, continue. Give us the answer then.
Okay.
Remember, these are 170 in total. Yeah. Is the answer coming? Biology and physics, but not chemistry. Hello? Okay. Before Faith comes and give us an answer, Precious, what do you think?
What I think is we can add 25 plus 15 plus 20, which gives us 70. And then we say 170 minus 70.
25 plus 15 plus 20 to give us 7.
Yes.
Now you can punch your calculator one more time. Head up.
15 times 25 plus 20 plus 15. No, it gives us 40.
Are you sure? Are you using a calculator?
Using a calculator, I don't know the calculator. I'm wanting calculator which I'm
You
using.
say 20 plus 15 plus 25.
Yes, 20 plus 15 plus 25.
Mm.
60.
60. So is it the same answer that Faith is finding, or is it different?
So 60 minus 170 minus 60.
Okay, that will give us what? For chemistry, right?
Yes.
But the question is saying those who took biology and physics, but not chemistry.
No, these are for biology and physics, not chemistry.
Which are those? What number is that?
25. And then also in biology and physics, we've got 15. And in physics, we've got 20.
So what number is that? So how do you answer the question? How many are those who took biology and physics, but not chemistry?
Are we not supposed to say there are 3?
3.
Are
Are
we
these people
supposed
3? Okay, I thank you. I get your submission. Faith, what do you think? You had a thought and your thought was cut before I come in. Would you mention what you wanted to say? Okay. Are you able to hear me? Hello, first of all, are you able to hear me before I start explaining? You guys, you can just confirm and we move on. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So now listen carefully. And you have to listen so carefully. In set theory and in probability, why did I say set theory, probability, transcendental functions? When you get the word and means multiply, okay? In set theorem, it means the intersection. Is that clear? So when a question is saying B and P is same as B intersection P, you get the point? I'll explain, I'll make it clear. Just get that. Did you get that point? So we are asking for B intersection P without C, which means we want B intersection C intersection P, but we should remove the part for C. What number is that? You know what
15.
intersection means? Yes. So intersection means in between. So the answer is 15. For B intersection P, intersection C complement, meaning where there are no, there are no elements in C. Now, pay attention. If the question was just asking for B intersection P, the answer would have been what? 15 plus 70. Is that clear? For B intersection P only. But this is B intersection P intersection C complement. That's what it means when they say that not in C. Okay, meaning we are removing what is in C. Aye. So that's why we just ended on 15. Is that clear so far? Hello? Precious, are you there? Faith, are you there? You guys will quickly respond. Okay.
Yes.
Are we good on this one? I make another second point.
Sammy, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand, I repeat. So when you find the word and means intersection, okay, in sets. So if you're asking for members of B and P, it is same as B intersection what? P. Is that clear? So at that point, are we together? B and P is same as B intersection P, like this. Did you get it? Hello?
Yes.
I'm interpreting the meaning of the word and, how we are using the word and in sets. But this question is saying, find B intersection P, but not C. So in short, is B intersection C minus C, or B intersection P minus C. Meaning we are not considering what is in what is in C. So that's why we concentrated on 15 only. Because 70 is in C. Now, when do you add everything? There is someone who had suggested that you add 25 plus 15 plus 20. If the question had said, how many number of people are in either B, which is biology, or physics? Are you following? Listen to the language, how we're using the word. If they use either or, okay? Either or, this one means what? Addition and union. So when you're dealing with sets, it's same as B union what? P. Is that clear? So we are looking for the members of biology union physics. Did you get it? And union, obviously, you're aware that it means adding together the sets, right? So we are adding all the members in biology plus the members in what? In physics. But this question, what if they say biology union P intersection C complement? Meaning minus C, right? In other words, if you want, you can say biology union P minus C. Meaning when what is in biology plus what is in P minus what is in C. That is now where you add 25 plus 15 plus 20. Is that clear? Like what is in biology plus what is in P minus what is in C. That is the biology union physics intersection chemistry complement, or chemistry complement. It means what is not in chemistry, right? Like remove minus chemistry, in short, remove chemistry. Is that clear? Have you understood
Yes.
how we use these? Because people get confused how we use these terms, right? I've told you
Yes.
and is for multiplying and is for intersection. Then or either is for union, right? And for adding. That has been understood, right?
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
What
What's your
if
question?
they said B intersection C complement? If they told us to find the number of things that are in B intersection C complement, are we
All right.
going to add the frequency that's there?
Okay. Thank you. Now, according to De Morgan's law of set theory, says that B intersection C is equal to B minus C. Okay? You know that B intersection C complement is same as B minus C, right? Let me rewrite it. B minus C is equal to B intersection C complement. Are we together up to this point?
Yes.
So this simply means what is in B minus what is in C. Everything in B, then we remove what is in C. So what is the answer?
Okay.
What's the answer?
20. 20.
Let's look at it. Biology intersection C complement. What is in B but not in C? What is in B but not in C? Hello? Everything in B but not what is in C. What is the total number? Hello? Everything in B but not in C. What is that? Hello guys. Can you tell me the numbers that are in B but they are not in C? That's a question. Are you able to tell me those
25.
numbers?
Yes.
25 and what?
25, 15.
Yes, it's as simple as that. 25 plus 15. That is B intersection C complement. So this simply means, can you find the students who took biology but never took chemistry? You got it?
No, sir. I mean like in brackets B intersection C and then complement. Not just
Oh,
C
okay.
complement alone.
Okay. I get that one. Let me write it the way how you're saying it. You're saying we put the bracket B intersection C
C.
complement.
And then
Okay, I've gotten it. According to the Morgan's law of mathematics, the law of numbers says that this is equal to B complement union C complement. Okay, like they are equal. So it is as good as what is not in B plus chi union means plus what is not in C. What number is that? What is not in B plus what is not in C. So in short, can you find the
20.
A is 20? Okay, let's look at it. Let's look at it. What is B intersection C? First, let's find where B intersection C is. Let me use a black marker so that this is the B intersection. It's B intersection. Oh, intersection C. Sorry. Where is B intersection C? Is this one, right? Are you following?
Yes.
First of all, now complement, meaning what is not in B intersection C. What is not in B intersection C?
25, 15, 25, 10, and 20.
What is not in B? And what is not in C?
The
Not in
intersection
B.
only, or
Okay. Look at the intersection is here. Then they are saying intersection complement. I've concentrated on this one. Look at this one. You have a very good question. Sets cannot confuse us. Look, B intersection C, right, is 5 and 70, isn't it? Now, complement means what is not in, you get the point, right? What is not in B intersection C? That's what it means. You understand the meaning of complement, isn't it?
yes,
Yeah, complement means what? What is not there, isn't it? Hello? Are we good?
Are
yes.
we not supposed to?
Yeah, yes. Come on. Who is this one? Precious. What did you want to say? Don't worry, you'll be fine.
I'm just trying.
Hmm.
Aren't we not supposed to light 15, 25, and 20?
Okay, we got it. So now listen carefully. You guys, you understand the meaning of a complement, right? A complement means what is not in that set. Okay. So now let's assume this is one set. B intersection C is a set, isn't it? And what set is that? This set that I've circled in black, isn't it? 5 and 70, isn't it? Let's agree up to that point. Is that the set that we are dealing with? Is that B intersection C?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now the question is said, what is not there? What is not in B intersection C? Is what? It's everything that is not in B and C, right? Everything that is outside.
Oh, so it's 25 and 10.
Everything outside the intersection. 25, 15 is outside D, 20 is outside D, 25 is outside D, this other 25, right? And the 10 is outside. Faith, did you get it?
Yes.
Did you get it? Are you fine now?
Yes.
So have you seen the difference between the two questions you're asking, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Can you ask some more questions? I need some more questions. People should ask many questions. Precious, what's your question? Ask. You guys, you should be asking questions.
No question.
Okay. All right. We are okay. If you have understood, then we are good. We can pick another question. Let's go on to the other part of the question. What is it saying? That is now the turn for Faith to read. Read question number 1B, 2B.
Okay. How many learners took 2 subjects only?
So let's go back. How many learners took 2 subjects only? Only 2. How many are they? Precious, what do you think? Right. Is Precious in class? What do you think?
Yes, it's let me say this one. It's 25, 10 and 20.
10 and 20. Okay, those
Yeah.
that took only 2 subjects. Those 10, they took which subjects?
There is there is 25. There is also 15. There is 70 and 5.
The 7th ones took everything. We want those that took 2 only.
It's 15, 25, and 5.
And 5. Faith, what do you think?
I also think it's 15, 5, and 25.
Exactly. So these are they. 25, they only took physics and chemistry. 15, they took biology and physics. And the 5 took biology and what? Chemistry. Is that clear?
Yes.
Are we good?
Yes.
Yes.
Spotify. You guys, I want you to give me distinctions in mathematics. I want one.
We'll give you.
Okay.
Let's go on to the other question. What does it say? Have you seen the exams from ECZ are easy? They're the easiest exams ever in the world. Read, who is reading now? The one who is supposed to read.
How many learners took one subject only?
How many learners took one subject only?
One subject there is 25, 10, and 20.
Exactly. What does Faith think?
I also think it's 25, 10, and 20.
Okay. Simple, right? 55 in total. Maybe we add a question. How many students took all the subjects? Faith, what do you think?
70.
How many? There are 70. Precious, how many students took nothing? They didn't take any course.
It will be the number of the total number.
Yes, that took nothing. Those that didn't take anything.
It will be nothing.
The answer is 0, right? Everyone took something, isn't it? They all took something. So if you had a certain number here, maybe 10, outside the sets, in the universal, you could have given that number as them.